and welcome to another unboxing video with SHEIN. This is my second unboxing video, and I decided that today I would speak on the video. My voice is a little weird right now. I just got over the flu. Yay! Today I'm going to be unboxing 2 AliExpress orders and 1 SHEIN order, and let's go. Let's deep dive into it. Right, so the first package we're going to deal with is this. All right, and as we can see here, it is a UV lamp that I bought from AliExpress, Choice AliExpress. Right, so I already have one of these here. I can show it to you. I have one already, and this one came with the clip. So you just clip it onto the side of your table, and it also has the USB. So let's just do a quick comparison to the one that I have. Alright, so if we just look here, this one's a little shorter than this one, and the cable, no, it comes connected with my old one that I had. So, and it also had a button that I can switch on and off. This is the old one. The neck, the material on the neck feels a lot different. So this is the first purchase. Very happy with it. And yeah, and the fact that it can stand by itself and it's not as bulky, and the head, yeah, I think this is silicone. I like the feel. So yes, it's a successful purchase with that one. Next, we are going to do the SHEIN. So with SHEIN, I usually just buy the nail products. I could get the nail products on AliExpress, but they take some time to get the ones that you want. And with SHEIN, it takes about 2 weeks until it gets here. I think that's what happened with mine. So here I bought a big charm storage box. I think it has like 48 slots. It has a lot of slots. Yes, I'm excited because I have so many charms, and I actually just have a charm order that I bought. This is my new charm storage box. Lots of storage. I don't think I will need another storage box in a while. All right, then I bought this brush. I bought this brush because I saw people were doing French tips with this kind of brush. And if you know, I'm not very good at French tips. So here is the brush. I can see a rogue hair. I think you can see it. Yeah, I have a little rogue hair. But I think I could just take my tweezers and pluck it out. This is my French tip nail brush that I bought from SHEIN. Cap on it. Isn't that annoying? Sometimes when the cap just doesn't fit. I think maybe that's why we got that rogue hair, because I think that is a bit small. And then I bought a nail drill bit called a nail polish head. The reason I bought this bit was I like my cuticles to look flush, and I did see that some people use around their cuticle area, so I decided I would give it a try. Now we are going to go back onto our last product that we bought from Ali. Just get into it. Oh yay, I can see. So I actually went on a oh, there's one more. Can you just let's just take a moment to appreciate all of these lovely charms that I got. All right. My nails are for me as much as they are for my kids as well that I teach. So, yeah. So this is Cinnamorol. This is a really cool character. I think Cinnamorol is super cute. I bought Cinnamorol because I think he's so cute. Let's open it to take a better look at what we have here. Oh, I didn't do a very good job of opening that, did I? Alright, so he's glittered. Cinnamorol is glittered. Can you see? Alright, so he has a little hat, teddy bear hat, a cute little bow, and some adorable face and long ears. And oh, that's so cool. Alright, so this is my Cinnamorol glitter with that's Cinnamorol. Okay, now we are going to move on to another Cinnamorol that I bought here. And also, I like the fact that you get a lot of the charms. These are a lot of charms. Am I going to be able to use them all? Probably not. It would take me some time. But because I don't always do character nails. Like, I don't always do Cinnamorol nails. So this will take me some time to use. I finally opened it. Let's take one out. Maybe let's see what we have here. So this is Cinnamorol with a wand. He has a wand. He has a blue wand and he has a bow tie. Yeah, so this is this. Okay, so then we have Cinnamorol with a star. So that, so cute. It's so annoying. These charms are, if we do a comparison, I think the head's a bit bigger. It's a bigger charm. If you look here, it is bigger than what I have on my nail already. So if I try to put that on this nail, yeah, a bit too big for that nail. But anyway, we can always use it for the thumb or the middle finger. So those are those Cinnamorol. And then I have two more cinnamon. I have this. Okay, this Cinnamorol also has glitter. It's also glittered. It has glitter in it. And yes. Now he has a blue bow and a pink heart. So cute. Right. Again, charms in these bags are nice. They're big. They are bigger charms, which is cute. I like that they are bigger charms. We just have a rogue charm here. All right, we're gonna put all of this into the storage boxes that I bought. So this is the last pack of Cinnamorol that I bought. Let's just look at this. All right, these are a tinier version, if you can see here. These are just a tinier version of okay, so these are just a tinier version of this one. Yeah, if you can see this. So this is a bit darker, this is a lighter blue, and the pinks are different. Essentially, this is just a smaller version of the big one. So then, but with different colors, but still same thing, kinda. All right, then I don't have any of this character, Kirby. and I decided to get some Kirby. So we have Kirby here, and he is in many different hats, I'll say. Just so you can see it on my hand first. Okay, so we have these are all the Kirbys that we have. All right, Kirby has a star in his head, Kirby with nothing, Kirby with blue bows, Kirby with pink bows, Kirby with a red heart, only 2 red hearts, and then I have Kirby with the chef's hat on, and blue bow Kirby. All right, so. Can see these are the Kirbys, super cute. We got 4 Kirbys with the blue bow, 2 heart Kirbys, 4 star Kirbys, 3 chef hat Kirbys, Kirby with nothing on his head, and then Kirby with pink bows. So we got 3 of those. Kirby, and a nice variety pack, I would say. I'm happy with what I got. Then I got Pikachu. Alright, yes. About a year ago, Pokemon went off in Korea. Like, they had Pokemon bread, and it's still a very big trend in Korea. All of these are the same. It's Pikachu eating watermelon. Okay, it's just Pikachu eating watermelon. Okay, you can see cute little Pikachu is eating the watermelon. Then I got Hello Kitty. You'll always see Hello Kitty stuff, and Hello Kitty will forever just be a household name that everyone knows. Right, so I got pink Hello Kitty because I didn't have pink Hello Kitty. So I got this. Like, if you look at the package, there's so many charms that come in here. It's great value for money. And the charms are really good quality as well. Just look at that. Really good quality. Alright, last but not least, I got Kuromi. Printing, I think it looks a little bit off, but from far away you can't see that stuff. Oh, nice. And they come in a set of 4, so not just individual. Right, let's put our charms away. hope you enjoyed this unboxing and packaging and storage of the new charms. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.